works.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm ready.
Alright, Matt. Let's go ahead and step out. Step out, bro. Come on.
You guys really don't want to do this, huh?
I don't know.
What do you mean by? I don't know what that means, but you need to step out right now. Come on.
Why?
Let's
What do
go.
you have in your hand, dude?
A gun.
Yo, dude, put your shit, bro. Stop
I'm ready
it.
to fucking die.
Stop, dude. Dude, stop. Stop.
Gun!
Get it, move. Get it.
Gun!
Move. Don't fucking reach. Don't fucking move. Don't fucking move.
He's good.
Hey, back. Hold. Back.
Fucking move, dude. Don't fucking move. Yes, he still has it. He still has it.
No, I got the gun. I got the gun.
You got it?
I got the gun.
Pull him out. Hey, take a breath. Take a breath.
Precious, back up.
I'm gonna pull him out this way.